Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you where to go to replace your fuse and relay for your AC compressor. So if you have any issues with your AC or your compressor, then it is possibly that you have a blown fuse or a relay that is no longer working correctly, guys. Okay, so go ahead and open up your hood. Underneath your hood on your Mazda CX-5 you will find there is a black box here that I have circled, and so you guys will need to go ahead and open that box, and underneath the lid of the box you will find that there is a bunch of little numbers and labels. Okay guys, so here is the AC fuse and here is the AC relay, guys. Okay, so these are the two pieces here that you may need to replace. I have circled it here to make it easy for you to find in case you couldn't find it, which is possibly why you're looking up this video. So hopefully this helps you guys find your issue and solve your problem. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Alright, peace out.